Here's something nobody tells you about ChatGPT, Gemini, and these other big AI chatbots. Every single prompt that you type is not just answering your question, it's learning from you, your code snippets, your business ideas, your game that you're vibe coding at midnight. All of it gets fed back to their servers. And the thing is, if you're paying for these services, you're paying for them to spy on you. And what do you get in return? Constant data scraping, the risk of your anonymity being stripped away, and the constant feeling that everything that you type is being read by somebody somewhere. But what if you could run something just as powerful, except it lives entirely on your computer? That means no cloud computing, no subscriptions, and nobody looking over your shoulder. I'm talking about Local AI, specifically a tool called LM Studio that makes this so simple, even my grandma could run this stuff. The only thing easier than this is hitting that subscribe button. Now, this is not some janky AI experiment. We're talking about the same LLM models that power these major AI companies, such as Llama, Mistral, and Quinn, except you're running them on your hardware for completely free, so you're the one in control. Now, I'll be honest, when I first heard about Local AI, I assumed it meant compiling code, editing config files, and windows upon windows of complicated settings to dig through. But turns out I was very, very wrong. So first things first, let's go to LM Studio. Now, there should be a big download button right here for you guys, and mine automatically says download for Windows because I'm obviously on Windows, but if you're on a Mac or on Linux, it should automatically show up here for the correct version for you. It's a download. So now that this is downloaded, I'll tell you what makes this totally different than the nightmare scenario of setting this up that you're probably thinking about. So let's open up our files here, go ahead and exit out of Chrome, and we'll just double click the installer here. And it's literally just a regular Windows installer. So we're gonna do next, and I have a specific spot where I like to store all of my applications. So I'm going to put it there, but you guys can install this wherever you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and click install, and it's going to take a bit and install. So if you've ever installed anything, literally anything on your computer, then you have the skills to use LM Studio. All right, this has completed, so let's go ahead and run LM Studio. And we're in, so let's go ahead and get started. And I'm gonna say, I'm just getting started with AI because I'm just gonna make it as beginner friendly as possible for this video. Let's go ahead and continue. So once you get to this page, it'll say let's download your first model, but we actually don't need to do this. If you come way up here to this right corner, you can see that it says skip. So we're gonna go ahead and skip this and just hit OK here, and we're in. And I mean, take a look at this. It's an interface actually designed for human beings, not you basement dwelling wannabe hackers. Okay, so now we need to actually download a brain. This is where we pick which AI model that we actually want to run. Now, LM Studio connects to Hugging Face, which is pretty much the Google / I guess YouTube of AI models. And there are thousands of them, and they are all open source and free. Now, for this demo, I'm going to download DeepSeek R1 Distill. And let's see, let's go ahead and go for recently updated. So we can see that this one was last updated. Oh, this one was actually 100 days ago. So we have this one, DeepSeek R1 Distill. It's fast, it's smart, and it'll run pretty much on any gaming PC built within the last 5 years. So it looks like this AI model is 6.66 gigs. 666, whoa. This is actually downloading the LLM straight to your machine. So once this is done, you never have to download this again. It's yours. All right, now our language model is downloaded, so let's go ahead and load the model. And as you can see up here, it is currently loading the DeepSeek R1 Distill Quinn model that we downloaded earlier. Now that this is loaded up, let me show you something that feels like magic, even though I've done this 100 times. I'm going to disconnect my internet. No Wi-Fi, no Ethernet, there's completely nothing connecting this computer to the outside world. So back to the AI model, just to prove that this is running completely locally, let's ask it a quick question. Explain how a graphics card processes pixels. And it's gonna go ahead and think about it. And you can see it's reasoning right here because yes, this is a reasoning model. Now this is running purely on my GPU and RAM. Everything that you're seeing is happening inside my machine. And as you can see here, it's coherent and it knows what it's talking about. This isn't some dumbed down offline mode. This is a fully fledged AI model running on just my PC, not some Google, Meta, or Amazon data center. I can keep going, I can ask it follow-ups, I can have a whole conversation. But the beautiful thing is that it's all offline and all private. Now, before you think that this is some free lunch situation, let me show you what's going on under the hood when you run these AI models. So let's ask it, when was the graphics card first invented? Now, while that's thinking, I'm going to pull my task manager over here and let's get a little bit more of a detailed view. You can see that my CPU is spiking up, my memory is spiking up. If we go down here to my GPU, and you can see that the usage is spiking. When you run these local AI models, your GPU is doing a lot of the thinking, and that's computationally expensive work. Now, I'm running a 3070 with 8 gigs of VRAM, and that's why it feels mostly smooth. But if you're running a budget laptop with integrated graphics, this most likely won't work unless you use a way smaller and less intelligent model. Now, as you can see, these AI do sometimes have bias, and they're not the end-all be-all. This one kind of went off the rails and didn't really know what I was asking. So you can't really get the best of both worlds of having an online AI and privacy. But here's the good news. If you've built a gaming PC in the last few years, you're probably fine. If you've got an RTX 3060, an RX 6700 XT, or maybe even a 2080 Ti, you're good. I mean, even a 1080 Ti can run some smaller models. And yes, the bigger models are smarter, but they're also slower and they need higher end hardware, which logically means that the smaller ones are easier to run and they're less taxing on your PC, but they're also way less intelligent. So here's the bottom line. You do not need to keep handing your data to these big AI companies who just see you as a product. And you don't have to keep paying them for something that you can run on your own hardware. LM Studio is free, the models are free, the privacy is absolute. So your late night coding questions, your weird creative writing experiments, and your business strategy brainstorming, it all stays on your machine. So nobody else sees it, nobody else trains it. And it's a nice feeling knowing that the gaming PC that you built several years ago is finally doing something productive. And the buyer's remorse that you felt when buying that GPU just for Cyberpunk 2077 is hopefully gone now. So download LM Studio, pick your model, do your degenerate things on your own LLM, and quit giving your data to these big tech companies.